it's not. I was about to say, like, bro, that's my brother. Alright, crash out. Because my brother likes, because, like, bro, one time I was on a bike ride with my friends, and my brother literally, like, became the Flash on a bike just to catch up with us. Like, it's crazy how hard he wants to hang out with me and my friends. Like, I mean, that's nice. I mean, I can understand it, but still. Well, that dog is still barking. That dog has been barking all day, non-stop. Like, is that like a speaker or something? Because there's no way that dog is still barking. We should call him Barkatron.